We're looking at the Southwire Polar Solar Supreme Cold Weather Cord, which claims that it's made in America, but it gives you Celsius. So it says it's able to work up to 105 degrees Celsius, which is 221 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 60 Celsius, which is minus 76. Cord is supposed to stay pliable at both extremes. Has a lighted indicator. It lets you know the cord is energized. It's chemical resistant and resistant to abrasion. So it's 100 meters. 30 meters, 100 feet. It's 12.3, which is a nice thick cable, so you should be able to run devices that require 15 amps. Opening the box reveals blue and white cable. It's currently plugged to itself. It's thick, but it is flexible. Both ends of the cord are translucent plugs. You have UL sticker and also a warning sticker letting you know to completely uncoil this before using. Once uncoiled, you plug into a grounded outlet. At the other end, with the line energized, you're supposed to see a glow, but in daylight it's very difficult to see. There, I think you might see that there's just a little bit of a glow there. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought it would be much brighter. I've used other cords in which it's a great indicator to see it during daylight that the line is energized. Indoors, we can see that there's a definite glow with the line energized, and that's great. It's just unfortunate that we don't really see that glow when we're outside. It's very muted. Here's another indicator of how dim this light is on this extension cord. I plugged it into another heavy-duty extension cord, and here's the light at the other end of that cord, and you see it's much brighter. Actually will light an area that's close by, whereas this, because it's translucent and it seems to be blocked by the cables, is not as bright. So this you can actually see outside, and I think is well designed. How far will 100 feet of extension cord take you? Quite a ways. We're on a 1 acre lot, and I'm about halfway across the lot, and that's about when we run out of cable. So this is great for plugging in tools that consume a lot of power. This is a Ryobi power head, and it uses 15 amps. So if you're going outside with it, you need a heavy-duty extension cord. This certainly fits the bill. What I wanted to show you was that there is enough flexibility to actually loop the cable so that it's less likely to pull out. You might be able, if you pull enough of it through, to have it catch on the lip here. Despite the large size of the plug, it actually fits into the Ryobi without any difficulty. Again, if you had to go out in extreme temperatures, this is a great cord because it's going to stay flexible. You get a lot of length at 100 feet, and the blue and white coloring makes it stand out not only outside, but also when you're hanging it up with your other power cords. While the power indicator may be dim, I do like the fact that both ends of the extension cord have beefy plugs on them. You can really grab a good hold on them. They're lipped and they're just big and chunky. So No need to tug on the cord when you can actually get a nice, great grip on both ends of the extension cord. As with any heavy-duty extension cord that runs 100 feet, winding it can be problematic. It still has a bit of memory from being in the box. This is over and under. It took most of the twisting fairly easy. We're just going to need to find a place to hang this so it's out of the way. But I think despite the fact that the power indicator is kind of dim, this cord will serve us nicely with its 100-foot length, the ability to carry 15 amps, thus delivering full power to our appliances when needed. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and please subscribe. And as always, thank you ever so much for watching.